Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with a product review. It is BLEDS cordless glue gun with a storage case, 2.9 AH fast preheating rechargeable hot glue gun kit with 30 pieces of glue sticks, stand up, mini no drip, mini hot glue gun for DIY gifts, craft decor. Now, it is regularly $29.99. It is on sale with 10% off, so $26.99. So let's share it. So, comes in this nice hardcover case. Has a cool handle. And I have the glue gun sitting off the side charging so we can share it. And when you open it, you get a whole pack of nice glue sticks. There's some clear ones and some glitter ones. Glue gun sits in here. You get the USB board. And you're going to have to get one of these. This is not included. And you get a stand and directions. You also get for warranty. Alright, so what you need to do, it comes charged. Mine didn't hold a charge, so I charged it, and it took like 2 to 4 hours, I think. I just plugged it in and walked away. But you take the cord, untwist it, plug this in, and then you plug this in, and the light will turn red when it's charging, turn green when it's fully charged, and then blue, and you leave it sit for 2 to 3 minutes after, and it'll be nice and hot. You can have this like this. I prefer this one. You take this little stand, you put it in these grooves, you know, try to sit like that. So that's how that works. So let's check this out. So I got a paper pad here, so you can see how well it glues. And you put a glue stick in on this end. I got one in there already. And you can go thinner and just trigger's good, heat's good. Put another glue stick in. It does fit, also, if you ask, just in case. An average glue stick you can buy at any craft store. And it will work. I had a glitter one in. I still got some glitter coming out of it a little bit. Not much, to try it out before I did the video. Now, I charged this yesterday. It is still fully charged right now. So you figure I messed around. I can show you what it is. Where did I put you? Oh, right here. This was me checking it out yesterday. So that's the glitter. Now I just glued pieces of paper together. It wouldn't be a video without me being weird. Now, the one thing I did notice, it said no drip, and I've had drippage, as you can see, right there. Let's test that out again. So I just wiped it off. We're just going to let it sit here and see what happens. But overall, I like it. I'll probably use it more and get better feeling of it in the near future. But I like the fact that it can charge and you don't have a cord following you around. So, and I like the case. I mean, you can put it away put it on a shelf, and you know exactly what's in this. And it's nice and hard. I like the fact if you want to grab it and, like, say I'm going out to Diamonds, and I know Allie's got her own glue stick, or glue gun. Maybe I want to grab my own. See right here? This is what I'm talking about. This is the only thing that I'm seeing is a downfall, is it drips. And that could also, and I've learned this, could be the glue itself. Some glues do have that. Other glues do not. So what I do is I'm going to put the cord on its little plug-in thing and just stick that right back in there. And then once this cools off, I'll put my gun in there, and it's all together, ready for next time I want to charge it and use it. I got this on Amazon. I will have the link to Amazon, so you can go check it out. But I'm going to read the directions one more time. So red light is on while charging. Green light is on after fully charged. Blue light is put out when lacking power. So when this blue light goes gone, it means the charge is dead. And oh, it has an on and off, so you can turn it on and off. That's another cool feature as well. So I want to thank you for watching. Please go check out the link below if you're interested in the BLEDS cordless glue gun. And this is what it looks like. There it is. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.